Hello everyone, welcome to Dinstar Company Limited Dongguan office. I'm your guide Helly, and today I will take you around our factory and show you the complete manufacturing journey of our gateways and IP phones from raw materials to finished devices. As a wholly owned subsidiary of Dinstar, Dongguan Branch was officially registered in July 2022. With our manufacturing operations originally established in Shenzhen since 2017, it undertakes material control, outsourced processing, assembly, testing, and delivery of all self-developed products. Located at Huawei Valley, Dalingshan Town, Dongguan. Our facility include office areas and IQC, incoming inspection zone, temperature-controlled raw material warehouses, structural component warehouses, and production workshops on the 11th and 12th floors. Our company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14000, and ISO 45001 system certifications. We have built a complete operation system covering new project introduction, order, review, compliant procurement, production and manufacturing, full process quality control, warehousing and logistics delivery, and closed-loop after-sales service. We fully implement 6S on-site management. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain and safety, making compliance a habit and quality a culture. The IP phone workshop project was launched in April 2025. The first IP phone rolled off the production line on June 17th, with daily production capacity ramping up to 1,800 units from September to October. The daily capacity of gateway assembly lines exceeds 300 units, and the daily output of IP phones reaches 1,800 units. All purchased electronic components and structural parts will be delivered to the IQC, incoming inspection zone, before warehousing. Inspectors will verify models and specifications one by one and conduct appearance inspection and functional sampling tests. Qualified materials will be labeled and stored in classified warehouses, including temperature-controlled raw material warehouses, structural component warehouses, and electronic warehouses, where unqualified ones will be firmly rejected. Our warehouses adopt standardized zoning and clear labeling, with temperature and humidity control to ensure stable storage conditions for electronic components, laying the foundation for product consistency. After qualified materials are warehoused, they will enter the core production process. We adopt outsourced processing for PCBA production to support unlimited production capacity. PCBAs that pass inspection will enter the finished product assembly stage. All products models are fully assembled in-house. The assembly line starts operation after PMC issues production orders and inputs data into the MES system. Workers assemble PCBAs, housings, accessories, and other parts into complete devices in accordance with standardized procedures. After assembly, all finished products undergo long-term power-on, burning tests on aging racks to ensure stable and reliable performance. Product that pass aging tests and re-inspection will be packaged and stored in the finished goods warehouse. Products cannot be shipped directly after warehousing. They need to pass the final checkpoint, OQC, outgoing quality control. OQC inspectors conduct sampling inspections on pending shipment products, checking performance, appearance, accessories, manuals, outer box labels, and anti-collision packaging item by item. Only fully qualified products can be delivered to customers from the finished goods warehouse. From IQC incoming inspection, SMT mounting, DIP insertion, wave soldering and functional testing, to finished product assembly, aging tests, and OQC outgoing audit. Every process is strictly controlled to guarantee the quality of every product. With a complete production chain and rigorous quality system, Dinstar Dongguan office safeguard the quality of every product. Thank you for watching. We welcome you to visit our factory in person.